India, a country with rich cultural heritage and diverse population, is now emerging as a key player on the global stage. With its rapid growing economy, India on its way to become the next superpower of the world. But how did India get here, and what make it poised for such tremendous growth in coming years? So let's explore this exciting topic together. India come a long way from its humble beginnings. Once a British colony struggling for independence, India is today a rapid growing economy with overpopulation of 1.4 billion people. India's progress has been phenomenal, but the questions remain same. How can India become the next USA or China? So let's dive into some current news and headline to find out. So according to IATA report, India is fastest emerging as a global aviation market, with an annual growth rate of 13.5%. India is the third fastest growing aviation market in the world. And the another headline is the International Monetary Fund IMF has recently started that the Indian economy is among the fastest growing economy in the world. And artificial intelligence is soon going to assist the Indian Army in threat assessment. With the use of AI in the military, India is all set to join the league of advanced nations that use modern technology for defense purpose. And India is pushing for rupee settlement with its trade partners. India rupee is now going global as 18 countries have agreed to trade in rupee. The world is trying to de-dollarizing. India is turning this into an opportunity, and now traders will be able to import goods from country by paying in rupee. The central bank RBI has allowed 18 countries, which include Germany, Kenya, Sri Lanka, Singapore, UK and many other countries, to transact in rupee. And recently a country joined, which is Bangladesh, which is the 19th country. And not only this, India is also buying Russian crude oil and selling oil products to Europe. According to a report, India's growing demand for oil product is creating a significant impact on the global oil market. And the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is making India a 𝗍𝗏 in the space sector. With the go-ahead commercial launches, ISRO is set to contribute significantly to make India a $5 trillion economy as soon as possible. And also our Indian medical tourism market is expected to expand at CAGR of 34.92% to 2027. According to a recent report, the affordability of high-quality treatment is undeniably the differentiating growth factor of India. And Forbes recently questioned whether India's UPI real-time payment system is ready to go global. With its user-friendly and efficient payment system, India's UPI is one of the most advanced payment systems globally. And recently, more than 18 countries has adopted this system, which is also a key growth factor for India. And we know that Apple is eyeing India as a key manufacturing base to reduce its dependency on China. India's large market and skilled workforce make it an attractive destination for companies looking to set up manufacturing facilities. So these are just few examples how India is shifting to controlling the market. It is the growth factor of India that make it potential superpower in making. India's rise to become a 10 trillion economy and an upcoming superpower is inevitable. As a country, we need to contribute to the economy and work towards to make India great again. India has come a long way from its struggling in the past, and today it stands at the brink of beginning as a global superpower. A country has shown commendable growth in various sectors, and with the right policies and approach, it is a path to achieve its goals. This is the time for all Indians to be proud and work together and work towards contributing to economy in their own way. Let's strive to make India a better place and build a brighter future for ourselves and for our future generation. India's potential is limitless, and together we can make it a reality. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on India's progress and to join us on this journey towards a better future. So Jai Hind.